mechanics is not here because we got to jump in the field now. So let me introduce how Web 2.0 changed the world. Actually, Web 2.0 gets several features, which is information sharing, interoperability, collaboration, and user-centered design. With these features, nowadays, World Wide Web become a virtual community because the people can make friends and build relationships with each other. It acts like a community for people. And moreover, the internet users nowadays act like both users and creators. In the past, they're just users, but nowadays they're also the creators because they can put their video, songs on YouTube and share with other people. So nowadays they're also creators. So actually, we're moving from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. Like for example, in the past when we want to download MOV, we go to MOV.com and download the song we like. But after that, there's a website, there's an application called Napster. Napster is a platform for people to share resources and share the video and songs and let the people download from each other. So the change is from mere users to both user and contributor. And the second example is that in the past, we would use some personal websites to introduce ourselves to other people. And today we do blogging and share our thoughts and feelings with other people. So it's, the change is from a mere website to a social platform for people. And thirdly, we're moving from publishing to participation. In the past, when we want to acquire some knowledge or information, we will go to a library to check the magazine or borrow some books in the library. But nowadays, we emphasize participation, which is when we want to acquire some knowledge, we can go to Wikipedia on the internet. And actually, we participate in Wikipedia because we can share our knowledge with other people. So it's like a new business model. As you can see, the collective intelligence is so powerful because nowadays the user-generated content is so powerful that it's so important nowadays. Actually, in our daily life, the application of Web 2.0 is actually around us. In our daily life, we do publish, share, discuss, social network, microblog, live stream, live cast, virtual worlds, and other social games. We go on YouTube, MSN, Skype, Twitter. Those applications just around us. We can't live without Web 2.0. So after we know the power of Web 2.0, so what makes the miracle of it? First of all, because the bandwidth is increased, and the petabyte is a lot of data. 1 petabyte is equal to 30.3 years of HD TV video, and it's equal to and 20 petabytes is equal to the amount of data processed by Google per day. So we can see the power of bandwidth helps us a lot to bring us more data on the internet. And secondly, the broadband, thanks to the advanced technologies of broadband, like the DSL, ISDN, and the local area network. With this technology, we can transfer information and data with each other more faster and more efficient and effective way. So it gives us a chance to have more content and more interaction on the internet. So it helps us to develop the Web 2.0. Yes. And secondly, thanks to the advanced electronics devices and wireless hotspot, so once you got your iPhone in your hand, you can always upload and update information everywhere, anytime. You're not confined to any constraints anymore. So you can get your information and upload your video, upload your songs in every minute without much constraints. So because of the advanced technology, you can have more sharing and more participation for every people on the internet. But there are several related concerns we cannot ignore. First of all, the privacy issues, because we share a lot of information on the YouTube, on Twitter, on Facebook. So many of your information will leak out, and many other people will know your privacy. Your privacy is exposed to others, so it poses a big danger to everyone. And secondly, is the quality of the information, because everyone can share what they know on the internet, like in Wikipedia. The information is shared by everyone can add the data on Wikipedia, so the quality of the information is not high enough. And thirdly, it's about the copyright issues, like on YouTube, many people share the video, share MTV, share songs on it, but they ignore the copyright. So it's a problem for Web 2.0. And finally, is the information leaking, because nowadays the internet is so powerful to capture many of your information. Once your information is on the internet, it gives you a big danger that your information, your personal information, like your address, your gender, leak out to the world. So what about the future development? We believe that you move from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0. To say, for example, it's like in Web 2.0, you get to those forums to share the news and data with each other. But nowadays you use Facebook. So what's the difference between 2.0 and 3.0? First of all, in Facebook you use the real identity and use social behavior. But in the forum in the past, you would not have a real identity. You will not type in your real name. Your information will not open to the public. But in Web 3.0, you would like to share your real identity with others. And second is the cross-platform synchronization. Like nowadays on Facebook, it's cross-platform. Like for example, when you read the news on Apple Daily, you can share comments on your Facebook. Type in the comment on the Apple Daily, and your comment will show on your Facebook. So it's cross-platform. And lastly, you got a new business model. It's a new way to do business. Like in Facebook, you can have many ways to do business, because you have the people put together. You get the information of different kind of people. You know their interests, their gender, because all the information are now open to you. So the businessman can make use of this opportunity to develop new business model, to do business, to gain more money. So this is the end of the presentation.